Yo, what's up guys, I'm Downtown Jester. In this video I'm gonna teach you guys 3 fast editing retakes. I'll do more if you guys hit 100 likes on this video. You'll need to know a little bit about editing beforehand. As you guys know, I am somewhat of a semi-fast editor myself. Here are the timestamps of the video, and also just so you guys make sure that I'm a fast editor, here's a vouch I got, a little shout out from follower.
I was just for being the fastest editor. Further understand NetDNF and Untitled and NetDNF and YouTube.
Okay, so this is the first retake and the one that I use the most. So it's a side jump with a reset. So the way you want to do this retake is first triple or quad to any side. Then before you jump, place a stair, and then place a wall, floor, and stair. Then edit the floor and edit the wall. Once you reach the last tile of the wall, where you're closest to the floor, reset the floor, then just continue. So here's an example of me using it to my free builds. Okay, so the next retake is a pyramid boost retake. Okay, so what you want to do is edit the pyramid, then edit the wall, and then jump, and while jumping edit the pyramid and then place a floor, and edit the pyramid with your floor out. Then place a floor, pyramid wall as you're doing a triple edit. Here's an example of me using it in a free build. The next and last move is the pistol classic. Okay, to do this retake, you'll first need to be 1 floor above the ground, double edit, and then flip the stair, do a wide wall edit, and stand on the wall, then jump and place a floor and pyramid. Or it could even be a stair to make it easier, do a side edit or anything to do the first retake. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Try these tricks and comment which ones you think you can do, and click subscribe, turn on noties if you like it. Like the video if you actually liked it, what I mean? Yeah, I'll see you guys next video.